So now let's see how we can work around with RGB noise inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with RGB noise, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here. Then you need to go around onto noise. And over here you can see that RGB noise is an option. So if I were to go around and zoom in over here in the RGB noise, you can see that red, green and blue dots actually come up right here. So you can go around, add in more red right here to add in more red noise, as you can see right here. You can also go around, add in more green noise, or you can add in more blue noise as well, just like this. You can go around over here and then you can correlate the noise with each other right here. And you can also have like independent RGB as well, just like this. So like it seems black and white. So let me just go around onto independent RGB right here. Then you can also have linear RGB right here so that it smoothens out a bit right here, or you can keep it much more noisy as well, just like this. Apart from that, there's the Gaussian distortion that you can go around and then make it much more smoother or much more harsher, as you can see right here. And then you can work around with the alpha noise as well if you want. So if I were to go around onto random seed, then that is what you have, as you can see. And then you can go around and utilize the blending mode if you want as well. Let me just go around and replace. We can work around with the opacity level of the noise as well and see the before and after by utilizing the preview. Then you can go around and see the split view around over here, just like this as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then you can see that the RGB noise gets applied right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and apply RGB noise into your photos inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.